Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel Easy Gamer. Today discuss about collision of insurance companies. Collision insurance is not just a piece of paper, it's assured against life's uncertainties by understanding how insurance works and choosing the right protection. You can face the future with confidence, knowing that you have got a team of heroes ready to back you up when you need them most. Hope this version help you better understand how insurance works and why it's important. If you have any question to need your future explanation, just label it. Write, rewrite it the make and easy to understand and give it professional tools. Demystifying insurance a guide to understanding and benefit your protection plans. Insurance service as a shield against life uncertainty, offering confidential security and peace of mind when faced with unexpected events. Let's delve into the world of insurance in the USA, breaking down its mechanisms in simple terms while maintaining our professional demonitors. First, selecting your coverage. Insurance is like a tailored suit of armor providing protection against specific risks. Individuals and business choose insurance policies based on their needs, whether it's health, life, auto, home, or business insurance. Second, investing in security. Premium are the currency of security paid by policyholders to insurance companies. These payments, made on a regular basis, ensure continuous coverage and functional protection against potential risk. Third, assessing risk. Insurance companies employ sophisticated algorithms and data analysis to evaluate risk factors associated with each policyholder. This risk assignment determines the appropriate premium rates, ensuring fairness and sustainability in the insurance system. Fourth, initiating claims. When investing strikes, policyholders entitled claimed signaling the activation of their insurance coverage. Insurance methodology review each claim, verifying its validity and assessing the extension of the loss before providing functional expansions as per the term of the policy. Fifth, navigations coverage term. Insurance policy come with definite coverage limits and deductibles. Coverage limits establish the maximum amount insurance will pay for a covered loss, while documents requirement policyholders to contribute a predetermined sum before insurance coverage takes events. Sixth, embracing collective protection. The essence of insurance lies in risk pooling, where premium from policyholders collectively found the compensations for covered losses. The collaborative approach spreads the fractional burden across a wider group, ensuring that no individual bears the full brand of unexpected events.